global keynote speaker and lifelong advocate for transformational project leadership. On November 7th, I will be joining the Institute of Project Management for a live global webinar, and I would be honored to have you join us. Our topic is Influence Without Authority, Critical Skills for Project Leadership Success. Today's project leaders are expected to deliver outcomes across functions, competing priorities, and sometimes different types of personalities, often without direct control. So how do you lead with clarity, build trust, and influence action when authority is not automatically granted? That is exactly what we will explore. I will be sharing practical insights and mindset shifts that will help you move work forward, gain traction with decision makers, and get things done through people, regardless of title. Mark your calendars for November 7th. Invite your team, come ready to engage, and get equipped to lead with confidence and impact, no matter the title. I look forward to seeing you there.